Nobody talks about the difference between how your mom punishes you versus your dad. Because whenever I did something wrong as a child, my mom would start crying and be like, if you keep misbehaving, you're gonna end up like that kid Johnny that lives down the street that went to juvie. And I'd be like, Mom, Johnny hit an old lady with his bike. I just snuck some goldfish into my room. And then she would take my phone away. But with my dad, he wouldn't even discipline me at all. He would just be like, hey man, can you just listen to your mother? All right, cool, thanks. And that would be it. Unless I did something really bad, which in that case, getting punished by my dad was so much worse than getting punished by my mom. Because there was nothing more scary growing up than when my dad was angry. I would go to sleep thinking I was gonna wake up the next morning with a finger missing or something. But I am glad to say, I still have all 10 though.